A. United States Defense Security Industry Organization Guide. Chapter 1. United States Defense Security Industry Organizations. Defense Security Industry Organizations 1. ADBCbenchmarking.com, Worldwide Forum of Management Professionals in the Aerospace and Defense Industry for the exchange of performance measurements and benchmarking data. ADMA.org, Aviation Distributors and Manufacturers Association AEA.net, Aircraft Electronics Association AFA.org, Air Force Association. AFCEA.com, Armed Forces Communications and Electronics Association. AFCEA.org, Armed Forces Communications and Electronics Association AFCEA.org.uk, Armed Forces Communications and Electronics Association. AFE.org, the Association for Enterprise Information. AGMA.org, American Gear Manufacturers Association. NAIA.org, American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics. AIA-AEROSPACE.org, Aerospace Industries Association. IDGA.org, Defense News and Government News for Industry. AIA-AEROSPACE.org, Aerospace Industries Association. AIAC.ca, Aerospace Industries Association of Canada. AICC.org, Aviation Industry CBTCOMMITTEEALA-NATIONAL.org, American Logistics Association MSUS.org, the Society of the Federal Health Agencies NAHQ.org, Association of Naval Aviation ANS.org, American Nuclear Society. ARSAGINC.com, Aerial Refueling Systems Advisory GROUPASD-EUROPE.org, Aerospace and Defense Industries Association of Europe. ASISonline.org, American Society for Industrial Security, ASIS. ASMConline.org, American Society of Military Controllers. Astronautical.org, American Astronautical Society. Atalink.org, Airlift/Tanker Association. atnei.com/procure.html, State and Local Procurement Information. AUSA.org, Association of the United States Army. AUSN.org, Association of the United States Navy. OVSI.org, Association for Unmanned Vehicle Systems International, OVSI. Aviationsuppliers.org, Aviation Suppliers Association. Defense Security Industry Organizations 2. BENZ.org, Business Executives for National Security, BENZ. CessnaEC.net, Cessna Employees Club. CODSIA.org, Council of Defense and Space Industry Associations. CROWS.org, Association of Old Crows. DAU.mil, Defense Acquisition University. DefenseIndustryDaily.com. DefenseNews.com. DefenseTech.net, Defense Technology Initiative, Massachusetts. SIA.org, Satellite Industry. ASSOCIATIONSTABILITY-OPERATIONS.org, International Stability Operations Association. DII.org, Defense Industry Initiative on Business Ethics and Conduct. DOA.org, Defense Industry Offset Association. DISA.mil. DMEA.OSD.mil, Defense Microelectronics Activity, DMEA. DACA.org, Defense Orientation Conference Association. DSTL.gov.uk, Defense Science and Technology Laboratory. DTIC.mil/India. DTIC.mil/WHS/directives/info-mgt/forms/forms-program.htm, en.wikipedia.org/wiki/aerospace. FAI.ie, Federation of Aerospace Enterprises in Ireland. FAI.gov, Federal Acquisition Institute. FBODaily.com, Today's Commerce Business Daily. Frost.com, Frost and Sullivan. Geekity.com, French Land Defense Manufacturers Association, GICAT. globalge.msu.edu/industries/aerospace-and-defense/events. globalsecurity.org. gpoaccess.gov/fr, Federal Register. gsa.gov/forms/farnumber.htm, Federal Acquisition Regulations Forms. HomelandCouncil.org, Homeland Security and Defense Business Council IDGA.org. Defense Security Industry Organizations 3. ihs.com/products/design-industry-standards-organizations-index.html. LOAnational.org, National Logistics Officer Association. LawNessailor.org, U.S. Navy Memorial Foundation. MCA-marines.org, Marine Corps Association and Foundation. MCLeague.org, Marine Corps League, the. Moors.org, Military Operations Research Society. NAA.aero, National Aeronautic Association. NAOC.org, National Association of Ordnance and Explosive Waste Contractors. National Defense Magazine.org. National Defense Megadirectory.com. NavalEngineers.org, American Society of Naval Engineers. NavyLeague.org, Navy League of the United States. NCMAHQ.org, National Contract Management Association, NCMA. NDIA.monster.com, NDIA Career Center. NDIA.org, National Defense Industrial Association. NDTAHQ.com, National Defense Transportation Association. NDTAHQ.com, National Defense Transportation Association. NICO.navy.mil, Navy Electronic Commerce Online. NOWS.org, National Guard Association of the U.S.NMIA.org, National Military Intelligence Association. NTTC.edu, National Technology Transfer Center. opm.gov/forms/html/sf.asp, Standard Forms. Defense Security Industry Organizations 4. PrecisionStrike.org, Precision Strike Association. prod.nis.nasa.gov/pub/fedproc/home.html, Federal Acquisition Jump Station. qfma.net, Quarter Furniture Manufacturers Association. QUAD-A.org, Army Aviation Association of America. Rotor.com, Helicopter Association International. SAME.org, Society of American Military Engineers. SAME.org, Society of American Military Engineers, they. SeaOnline.org, Supplier Excellence Alliance. SecurityInfonet.com. SecuritiesOutIans.com. SubmarinesUppliers.org, the Submarine Industrial Base Council. TITA.org, Trucking Industry Defense Association. TrainingZStems.org, National Training and Simulation Association. Truckinfo.net/trucking/trucking-associations.htm. USNI.org, United States Naval Institute. VTOL.org, AHS International and the Vertical Flight Technical Society. WID.India.org, Women in Defense. Defense Security Industry Organizations 5. National Defense Industrial Association San Diego Chapter. NDIA-SD.org. National Defense Industrial Association, NDIA. NDIA.org. American Society for Industrial Security, ASIS. ASISonline.org. Aerospace Industries Association. AIA-AEROSPACE.org. Satellite Industry Association. SIA.org. Defense Intelligence Agency. 200 MacDill Boulevard, Washington, D.C. 20340. 800-525-4629. DIA.gov. U.S. Department of Defense. Human Resource Service Center. Alexandria, Virginia 22333. 703-617-7178. hrsc.osd.mil/train. United States Local Defense Industry Organizations. azaerospace.com, Aerospace and Defense Arizona. CharlestonDCA.org, Charleston Defense Contractors Association. DaytonDefense.org/DaytonDefense/web/public/default.aspx, Dayton Area Defense Contractors Association. DefenseAlliance.com, Defense Alliance of Minnesota. DefenseTech.com, Massachusetts. FL-DC.org, Florida League of Defense Contractors. NC-AA.org, North Carolina Aerospace Alliance. NCDBA.com, North Carolina Defense Business Association. NIDIAOnline.org, Northeast Indiana Defense Industry Association. PNDC.US, Pacific Northwest Defense Coalition. SANEDIA.org, Southeastern New England Defense Industry Alliance. SWDA.US, Southwest Defense Alliance California. TASC-TGIC.org, Tidewater Association of Service Contractors. National Defense Industrial Association. Lone Star Chapter. NDIALoneStar.org.